welcome to another section of Uncle Sam's Math tutorial. Remember, before you do any other thing, to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click the notification button so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay, we are still on algebraic expression, and in today's class we'll be considering the factorization of algebraic expression. Now, what is factorization? Factorization, simply put, means putting an algebraic expression inside a bracket. Thereby, in the process, you are simplifying the expression. Okay, so the details will be communicated to us as I solve these examples on the board. Now look at this question. We are asked to factorize this. So to factorize it, simply put, I have to put it inside bracket. So how do I do this? First, I'm going to look at the numbers that are here, 18 and 12. So I'm going to say, what is the highest factor of 18 and 12? The highest number that can divide 18 and 12 without remainder, and that is 6. So 6 is here. What variable does this expression, this one, have in common? Both of them have x is common. So I'm going to bring out x. Then what other thing they have in common? This one has 1y, this one has 2y. So I'm going to bring y out. I hope you're following. So the next thing I'm going to do is, I'm going to use this to divide this. 6 divided 18 is going to leave me with 3. X divide x squared, you're just having what? 1x remaining. Then y divide y, it's gone. There's no y that is remaining. I hope you're following. Now put my minus. Then 6 divide 12 is going to give me 2. X divide x is gone. Then y divided by y divided y squared is going to leave me with what? Y. So this is it. We are done. Now to check if this is correct, we are going to just expand it once more. 6 times 3 is going to give me 18. X times x is what? X squared. Then put your y. Minus 6 times 2 is what? 12. X times x is here. Then y times y give me what? Y squared. You see that it gives me back exactly the expression that I have originally. So let's move on to the next question. In this question, you have x squared plus 4x squared y minus 3x y squared minus what? 12y cubed. So what are we going to do here? The first thing I'm going to do, because this is 4 expressions is written here, I'm going to group it in twos. So how do I do that? I'm going to put a bracket here. I'm going to put a bracket here. Now, what is common to these two expressions here that I put inside this bracket? What is common here is that what? This one has x and this one has x. So what am I going to do? The highest power of x here is 3, the highest power of x here is 2. So I'm going to bring 2 out. I'm going to have something like x squared. I'm going to bring it out. Okay? So if I bring it out, I'm going to use this to divide this. X squared divide x cubed is going to leave me with just x. So that if I multiply it, it will still give me back x cubed. I hope you're following. Then I'll put my plus sign. X squared divide this x squared that is here. It's going to leave me with nothing, which is 1. So what I have remaining here is what? 4y. So that if I expand it again, x squared times 4y will give me 4x squared y. I hope you're following. Now I'll put my minus sign here. Then the minus sign that is here, this is it. Okay. So I'm coming over here. So what do they have in common? First, I have 3 and I have what? 12. I'll ask myself, what is the highest factor of 3 and 12? And that is 3. I'm going to bring 3 out. I hope you're following. Then what they have in common here? They have y. This is y squared and this is y cubed. So because this is the lowest value of y here, I'm going to pick it out. I'm going to put my what? Y cubed out. I'll open the bracket once more. Then I'm going to use this to divide. 3 divided 3 is 1. Nothing is remaining. Then y squared divided y squared is also 1. So what is remaining here is just x. So that if I multiply it back, it's going to give me 3y squared times x will give me 3xy squared. I hope you're following. Then I'll put my plus sign here. I'll tell you why I'm putting the plus sign. Then this 3 will divide 12, give me 4. Then y squared will divide y cubed to leave me with just what? Y. Now why did I put plus here? Isn't there minus here? There is minus, but remember we are factorizing, we're putting inside bracket. The goal is you are not changing anything in the equation. If I decide to multiply this thing back, it is going to be minus 3y squared times x. It will give me what? Minus 3x squared y. Then if I put minus 3y squared times positive 4y, the minus here will multiply the plus here to give me what? Minus But if I put minus here, it will change to what? Plus, which is not what we have originally. I hope you know. So these two, as you can see, they are the same. So what am I going to do? I'm going to put this inside bracket. X squared minus 3y squared. This and this. This and this, I join it in one bracket. Because these two are the same, I'll just pick one. X plus what? 4y. And that is it. If you expand this particular expression, you still get back to this. So let's try and expand it. This, to expand it, this will multiply everything here. And this will also multiply everything here. X squared times x will give us s cubed. S squared times plus 4y will give us what? Plus 4x squared y. Minus 3y squared times x will give us what? Minus 3xy squared. Then minus 3y squared times positive 4y will give us what? Minus, because minus times plus is minus. Then 3 times 4 is what? 12. Y squared times y will give us what? Y cubed. You see, we have our expression back. Yes. So, see you in the next video. Bye.